You know that you can actually earn money whilst using WhatsApp? Yes, Meta is rolling out a feature that allows its users to earn money whilst using WhatsApp. WhatsApp has over 2.5 billion users worldwide, and now Meta wants to roll out a feature that will help creators and business owners to start earning on WhatsApp. And as usual, not everyone qualifies automatically. In this video, I'm going to explain WhatsApp monetization, its qualification, and what you can do to take advantage of this feature. Before we dive into it, if this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to like this video. Now let's get into it. Gradually, Meta is transforming WhatsApp into a content and business platform, and they are rolling out these 3 key features that is going to help to grow on WhatsApp. The first feature is adverts will appear in the update tab. That means as you are viewing status or update from your saved contacts, you'll be shown adverts, just like watching YouTube videos, Instagram videos, and Facebook videos. And at the end of the day, they are going to pay users for it. Secondly, you can now create paid channels. That's where followers are going to pay for money before they can enjoy your exclusive content. That means you can be earning from your WhatsApp channel through subscription from your followers. And the last update is now businesses can pay WhatsApp to promote their channels for them. So you pay WhatsApp and WhatsApp is going to advertise your channel for you directly on WhatsApp. One of the concerns that was raised when this update came was about privacy and security. And the reply WhatsApp gave was, these ads are not going to lead anyone outside WhatsApp. So when you click on ad, it's going to lead you to either a WhatsApp channel or a business page on WhatsApp. And also, they are saying that they are not going to place adverts on our private chat, and also our private chat is encrypted, meaning not even WhatsApp can read our WhatsApp messages. Now let's see, what do you need before you can monetize your WhatsApp accounts? First, you need a business account. That's where the WhatsApp business comes into place. You just download WhatsApp business and register it with your number. Secondly, you need to be verified by Meta as a business by uploading your business documents like your business certificate and your tax ID. Then you need to set up your payment method and then follow WhatsApp policies. Once you meet all these requirements, you can now place ads on your status, and also you can create a paid channel where users are going to subscribe before they can see the content, and also you can promote your channels on WhatsApp. After bringing this update, Meta is saying that it's going to generate about $10 billion US. That means there are more opportunities for creators and there are more ads on the app, which has caused many users to worry because it's going to affect their privacy. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Is it a smart move or just like Facebook and Instagram? Just put your sentiments in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so that you'll be notified whenever I post. And again, don't forget to like this video as well. I'm Great Filippo. Until we meet again.